Let's start. If I have to use the binomial expansion here, what I can do. So again, I will start writing the same way. N is 7 here. Okay, I'll just write N is 7. So 7C0. A. Now remember, A is 2C. This is very important step. So if you are confused, what is this, what is A or B, and you don't miss out anything, use brackets or write the expression first with A and B so that there is no error from your side. 2C power 7. 2d power 0. Just this is for writing. Remember, it's a minus sign here, so 1 plus and then 1 minus. 7c1, 2c power 6, 2d power 1, plus 7c2, 2c power 5, 2d power 2, minus 7c3, 2c power 4, 2d power 3. Minus or plus, again plus 7c4, 2c power 4, 3, and 2d power 4, minus 7c5, and then you will write 2c power 2, 2d power 5, plus 7c6, 2c power 1, 2d power 6, minus 7c7, 2c power 0, 2d power 7. Writing like this has given you almost half of the marks for the question, because it's a big thing to write all the expression correctly. And now my next step is to solve all the calculation. Please be careful in such question. There is a variable and a number calculations needed to be done. I am writing an extra step here for you. You can skip an exam, you can use calculator, but if you are unsure about, please make sure you also write this step. So 7c0, 2 power 7. I'm writing only the numbers, okay? This with this, 2 power 0, no need to write. Don't forget the variable c power 7. Next, minus 7c1, 2 power 6. So I copy 2 power 6. 2 power 1. I copy one more 2 because it's multiplying. You can put bracket. And c power 6, d power 1. The variables, don't forget, there has to be the variable. Look, c, d, c, it's in the question expansion, so it must be there. Next, plus 7c2, 2 power 5, and another 2 power square. So it is c power 5, d power 2, minus 7c3, 2 power 4, another 2 power 3, c power 4, and d power 3. I'm copying from here only. Nothing I'm doing on my own, just watching the each term like this. 2 power 3, 2 power 4, c power 3, d power 4, minus 7c5, 2 power 2, 2 power 5, c2, d5. Copying from here again, as I said, plus 7c6, 2 power 1, 2 power 6, c and d6, and the last one 7c7, 2, 0, no needed. So this one no need to write because I think power 0 is 1, 2 power 7, d power 7. Now all you have to do is get your calculator and make sure you write the answer for each term. So 7c0 is, you can check. So once you do 2-3 question, you will understand that whenever you find 7c0, it's always the number 1. So the first one is 1. If you remember from Pascal triangles, the first term is always 1. But there are numbers now, don't forget. So 2 power 7 you need to find out. So do one thing in calculator, make sure you put all of this and then calculate for each term ahead. So next again, 2 power 7 equal 128. 128 c power 7 minus 7c1, 2 power 6 with 2 power 1. So if you observe one thing, let's check. In this expression, not all the time, 2 and 2 is coming again, but every time there is 2 power 7, 2 power 7, 2 power 7, because for now this question in the expansion, both term was having 2 with it. Only that's the reason. So what I will do, I know that 2 power 7 is 128. So I will always multiply 128 and change c1, c2 and c3 again and again. So 7 c2 multiply 128, 2688, minus 2688. Don't forget the variable part. plus 7c2 equal, okay, no, 7c2 done, 7c3, 7c1. Maybe I put a wrong one in the first one. It should be 7c1. I'm so sorry. So it should be, going back, should be cleared, 7c1, which is 7. Multiply 128 and you get 896. So this one here is 2688 because first by mistake I calculate the previous one, and this one we can change as 896, and here the variable c power 5 d power 2, and so on. I will complete my expression, and the last term here, please make sure you write the full part in the exam, and the last part here 7c7, check what it is, 7c7 equal 1. So first and last one into the extra numbers which are there, and that's it. So 128d7, and the middle one, try to fill up yourself, only the calculations are important. And one more step, that this was minus, and that's why I had to do plus minus to get my answer. Is it fine? And sorry, the last one is minus here and the last one is minus here. So imagine writing this looks small. If you just see, there would be like 4 steps, but the amount of time it takes, and you need to make sure that each term is correct, will fetch you good marks. And it's not difficult. Practice 2-3 of the questions, it should be okay. In my next video, I'm going to talk about these 2 questions which are based on some probability. So maybe they give this also in writing, or they give part A, do the expansion, and part B, find the probability.